the high or low moisture absorption rate of saturated silicon gel desiccant directly determines its performance. Then how to scientifically test whether the moisture absorption rate of the desiccant meets the standard. I will show you the scientific test method below. Let's go! First step, zero in the electronic scale. Second step, take flat glassware, weighing, record data. Generally, test at least 3 groups. Put about 20 grams silicon gel material into each glassware, record the data. Third step, constant temperature and humidity chamber set temperature 25 degrees and relative humidity 90%. Let it stay inside for 24 hours after stabilization. Fourth step, take out the sample and weigh it, record the data. Method of calculating. Weight after moisture absorption minus weight of the flat dish minus initial weight of the sample divided by initial weight of the sample multiply 100% equals moisture absorption rate of silicon gel desiccant. The last measured moisture absorption rate should be more than 30%, and this is the high-quality silicon material. We believe you already have a preliminary understanding of the test of moisture absorption rate. Follow us to learn about moisture control. See you!